In this video, I'll guide you through how to undo and redo changes in Google Calendar. This is really useful if you ever make a mistake while editing an event, or you just change your mind and want to quickly go back to what you had before. We'll walk through a simple example together so you can see exactly how it works, and then you can apply it to your own calendar. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account so you can see your events. You should now be on the main Google Calendar page where you can view your schedule by day, week, or month, depending on your preferred layout. Next, find an event on your calendar that you'd like to edit. This can be any existing event like a meeting, an appointment, or a reminder. Click once on that event. A small pop-up will appear showing the event's basic details such as the title, time, and any other quick information. To make changes to the event and see how undo and redo work, you'll need to open the full editing view. To do that, look for the pencil icon inside the event pop-up. This pencil icon represents the edit option in Google Calendar. Go ahead and click the pencil icon. You should now be on the full event editing page where you can change things like the event title, date, time, location, and description. For this example, we're going to focus on the event title. Click into the title field at the top of the event, place your cursor there, and then erase the title completely. You can do this by pressing backspace or delete until the field is empty. Don't worry, we're doing this just so you can see how the undo and redo shortcuts work, and we'll bring the title back in a moment. Now, imagine you didn't actually want to erase that title, or you changed your mind right after deleting it. To undo that change, use the undo keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl+Z, hold down the Control key and tap the Z key once. On a Mac, you can usually press Command+Z for the same effect. After you use the shortcut, the previous text in the title field should reappear, restoring what you had before you erased it. This is undo in action. It reverses your last edit. If you decide that actually you do want the title erased and you want to reverse the undo, you can use redo. Redo brings back the change you just undid. To redo your action, press Ctrl+Y on your keyboard if you're on Windows. On a Mac, this is often Command+Shift+Z, depending on your browser. When you use the redo shortcut, you should see the title return to its erased state, just like it was before you used undo. You can repeat undo and redo multiple times as you make edits, which is especially handy when you're adjusting several details in an event. Once you're happy with your changes, remember to click Save on the event so that everything is updated in your calendar. And that's all there is to it, using simple keyboard shortcuts to quickly undo and redo changes in Google Calendar.